And here is a follow-up on the Toro recycler that I got that was listed as non-running. And it started when I got home. I just cleaned this up and it turned out really nice. Still got a lot of scratches on it, but it did clean up nice. It was a lot of dust blowed out of this engine. The only thing I really did outside of washing this is I did put the correct gas cap on here, which I'm not sure if that was any of the issues, but this has some of the proper ventilation in here that it should, versus this one. Let's see if that'll correct any of the odd problems that I'm having with it, which sometimes it won't start after you cut it off. And of course it was leaking the gas that I showed you when I tilted it up. But it's in really nice condition. Things look better after you give it a good cleaning, that's for sure. You can tell a lot more about it. And you can also find more about it as far as scratches. And you can get an idea about any kind of rust or paint peeling around these side chute areas. Got a little bit of paint peeling here. Let's take a look underneath here and see if it's going to leak gas. And the last time I tilted it up, it started leaking gas. Let's see if it does it this time. And I cleaned underneath as well. And he had said he'd put a new blade on this recently, and it's not leaking gas, which is good. So maybe the gas cap has something to do with it. Or just running this enough, maybe it'll clean this carburetor out. Very nice condition Toro. Let's give it a start here. And let's see if it'll start after cleaning it up. Here we go. There we go. Engage the blade here. Sounds good. Very nice Toro. Keep this a while, make sure this carburetor is good on here. And we hit the stop button. Seems to run very nicely.